Today we are going to draw hut by using different shapes like rectangle, triangle, square. This is the picture of hut we are going to draw today. First of all, write the date on the top. Now start drawing. Firstly, draw triangle, not so big. Now draw standing lines like this. You can use scale if you want. I am drawing free-handed. Now draw slipping line. It should be little shorter than the middle line so that we can draw a slanting line here. Now again draw a standing line, then slipping line. Now the outer side of the hut is ready. Now draw a square for the window like this. In the center, draw a standing line and one slipping line. For door, draw one standing line, small slipping line, and then again standing line and one dot inside it. Draw one circle inside the triangle. And for the way, you can draw two curved lines like this. Now hut is ready. Now let's start coloring. So firstly do the outlining of every different part like this. Now I have done outlining of the triangle. Now fill it with slipping lines completely and leave the circle inside without coloring it. Now coloring of triangle is done. Now I am going to color this. Same way, do the outlining of this part of the hut. Again use slipping lines for the coloring and try not to leave white space inside. Let's do outlining of this rectangle before coloring it completely. So do the outlining neatly. Now use slipping line for the filling part. Now coloring of this part is going to complete. You can see it is looking so beautiful. Now let's do outlining of this big rectangle. Now outlining is completed. So let's fill it with sloping line. Leave the window for different color. That we will do later. Complete the rest part. Now this is done. You can use any light color in window and doors. Now do coloring in this part. Now do coloring in this part. So the coloring in the hut is completed now. It will look more beautiful if we show sky and greenery. Sky on the top by using sky blue color and light green at the bottom for greenery. Use sky blue color on the top and use sloping line as I am doing. But remember, do color lightly, not much dark. You can do sky blue color at a half part of the hut. Now do light green color to show greenery. Now the shading is done. So at the end you have to do outlining of the hut by using black crayon. Don't use sketch color. Do outline like this. Do outlining of every line neatly. So the coloring of hut is completed with outline.